It's the first time that we've done this event in Croydon, and I think it's been a success, yeah? So thank you for coming out, like Ty said. I'd also like to thank all the artists. This event works, and it's all about family and unity and peace and love. Yeah? And it works because that's what all the artists believe as well, not just me. So thank you very much. We hope to bring it back to Croydon again. Please jump on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. @ScannersInc is my handle, and just let us know what you want, because if you want it back again, let us know your thoughts, and we will do our best to bring it back.